Hey everybody, welcome to week 3 of paternity leave. I know, I'm still wearing the same hoodie. That's basically because I've had no sleep for about the last 2 weeks because I have an infant. And let me tell you, the blood-curdling scream of an infant at 2 in the morning, well, there's nothing that'll quite give you an adrenaline rush more than that one. Anyway, enough about me. I just wanted to talk about kind of the expectations for work that you're supposed to do this week. As always, as I told you the last couple weeks, make sure that when you log in, you get Mr. Hughes to count you for attendance. You're in the Zoom session for the entire time. And then from there, when you log in, first thing every day, go to Miss Dodson's YouTube channel, watch her announcements, and then go ahead and start working. So this week you have a couple things that you're going to want to do. The first, and it's posted in Google Classroom, is that you're going to be working on and watching the America's Story of Us, episode 3, and completing the viewing guide that's there for you, okay? Please make sure that you're taking your time on that. And again, I know some of you don't love that it might not go all the way in order. Again, like I keep telling you, please make sure you read 5 questions at a time, know what to look for, and then when you hear that information in the video, pause the video and go answer the question, and then come back and watch the video. All right. In addition to the America's Story of Us, episode 3, I also want you to complete these assignments in Khan Academy by December 11th. I know I mentioned this previously. Khan Academy wouldn't let me time out the assignment, so please just be paying attention to the due dates and keep up with those. What's due by the 24th, have done by the 24th. What's due by the 11th, have done by the 11th. You don't feel like you have to complete everything in a huge chunk of time. Also, I know there are a lot of articles and videos there for you to complete. That's why I gave you 2 weeks on the Khan Academy stuff. So you've got a week to do America's Story of Us and 2 weeks to do Khan Academy. And that's all I have for this week. So please make sure that you are, again, checking in every day and then completing the workload. I will periodically give some updates to Mr. Hughes as to who's got work done or who is needing to complete assignments, okay? So, again, hope you have a great week. Paternity leave has got 1 more week, so there'll be another video update next week and some assignments to complete in addition to the Khan Academy stuff that I have you working on. Other than that, I'm going to go probably take a nap after I get done with this. Not really, because I recorded this before we had a baby, but if I was doing this in live stream, I would finish this video and definitely go take a nap. Okay, that's enough bad dad jokes for the day. Thanks for tuning in. If you need, again, explanations or parents have any concerns as to what it is you're supposed to be doing, just show them this video. All right? Have a great rest of the week, and I'll check in with you on Monday of next week.